Emily, what are you doing? You eating all the food that's in your bib? Yeah? You don't think there's a better way to do that? Like maybe using a spoon? What about this stuff right here? You want some grapes?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's not uh-oh if you do it on purpose. Are you done? Huh?
For 10 days only, Cox TV customers get half off high-speed internet or half off digital phone when you add either service. And ask how you can get free HBO and Showtime for 3 months. Wanting a reaction?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Plus, there are even better deals when you bundle. Call today.
All done? All right, let me go get you some grapes. Finish it off, okay?